The Macquarie University Global Leadership Program, GLP, is a university-funded extracurricular program that can be undertaken alongside any degree. Students complete two core program requirements: an intensive, internationally themed workshop series run by leading academics and experts, and cross-cultural practical activities such as volunteering, internships, seminars and conferences.
GLP is a very unique program which allowed me to know more about cross-cultural collaborations or cross-cultural understanding.
GLP is both theory-based and practical-based. We got to learn from industry experts as well as get our hands on projects that we can work on ourselves.
Through the Global Leadership Program, I am up to date. I get to interact with local international students. We exchange our perspective on issues.
The type of people I meet through GLP is people from all walks of life, from other countries, and they all study different fields.
It encourages you to explore, try out different things, step out of your comfort zone.
The thing that I love most about living in New South Wales is the mix of culture, the diversity that I experience every day.
It was a very livable city to me, and I felt safe, and that was something that was important to me, especially coming overseas and living abroad.
I find myself a mix of Vietnamese and Aussie.